I look good, good. I'm fine, fine. Oh.
See it, I want it. I stunt yellow, born it. I dream it, I work hard, I grind till I own it. I twirl on them haters. Albino alligators. El Camino with a silo, sipping Cuervo and no chisa. Sometimes I go out.
Hi queens, welcome back to my channel. This is BetheBeat, if you didn't already know. So today's video, I'm bringing you some super duper heat, okay? Today, I'm so excited. Like, y'all can already tell by the title, by the thumbnail, by all of that, is that we coming with Ivy Park Beyonce Adidas drip, okay? Y'all, last time Ivy Park came out, I missed the launch, didn't have the coins to give to Beyonce at the time. This time around, I wasn't missing it, okay? I vowed to myself I would not miss her next tour and I would not miss the next Ivy Park drip, okay? Your girl got some Ivy Park, okay? Because she does rep for the plus size as well. If y'all don't know, if you're new here, I am a thick madame, okay? A little plush pal, if you will, all right? But I'm just going to get straight into the drip. I got a fairly, large box. Not because I got a whole bunch of pieces, just because the pieces that I did get, I guess, are kind of large. And how about as soon as I get a chance to film this video, here come Beyonce dropping the black pack. The black pack just launched yesterday. I copped some pieces from that too, so be on the lookout for that video as well. Go ahead and subscribe, like, share, comment, all of that. Make sure you don't miss any more uploads, okay? If you're new here, if you're not new here, we love to see you, okay? But yes, so the black pack just dropped yesterday, so I did cop some pieces from that. That haul will be even bigger than this one, so stay on the lookout. Subscribe, it's free, it don't cost you nothing, all right? But anyway, let's get into this drip, this drip. Oh my gosh, I got Ivy Parks. I'm a little tight because I had more stuff in my cart than what I got, but when I clicked the buy button, the bodysuit was already sold out. I got the Ivy Park suit pant. I got it in a 3X, and oh my gosh, it's so heavy. It's so high quality. And I got the Ivy Park suit jacket, and I also got that in a 3X as well. And I wanted it to kind of at least fit perfect or fit a little bit oversized. So I ordered a 3X. Hopefully that's the right size. Hopefully it fits well the way I want it to. I ordered the little pouch, the little fanny pack too, because I wanted to completely recreate the look that Beyonce did on like the whole tees and everything. And she had the suit, the two-piece suit on with the waistlet. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this stuff out of the packaging so you guys can see it, and so I can see it. This is my first time opening it, so I'm so excited. Oh, this is so thick. Oh my gosh, the Ivy Park detail, oh my gosh. I think this is gonna fit perfectly. Hopefully it does. But you've got the Ivy Park, all the details. It's the details. You got Ivy Park all down the seam. It's very sturdy, very thick. You've got the dark green detail going against the mint green. It's very sturdy, very thick. Let me see. And then these are the suit pants. This is a 3X. I just hope that they are long enough because I am a tall girl. I'm a thick girl and I'm a tall girl. I am 5'9"-ish, maybe 5'10" by now. So hopefully they're long enough, but these are the suit pants. So these particular pants are not cuffed they're not tight around the ankle. They are like a flared leg. It's like that fancy suit that she had on. And I just love that look. I'm not an athletic type girl. I didn't want the workout clothes. I wanted the clothes that she marketed as more upscale, going to a nice little lounge in my clear, slipper heel, that was more so what I was going for, as well as the black pack. But anyway, we'll talk about the black pack in the next video. But oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So the suit pants were retailing at $100. Okay, Jackie, so they do have zipper pockets. Okay, nice deep pockets. Not that I'm gonna be really putting anything in there, but it's nice to have for $100. And the suit jacket was $160. Oh gosh, I did not know. Child, it was weeks ago when I ordered this, so I kind of forgot, but the jacket is $160. Okay, so if y'all don't know, I'm sure y'all know. If you're watching this video, you know about Ivy Park. Ivy Park, you gonna drop a coin, okay? You know what you're getting into when you get on that site, okay? I also got the waistlet fanny pack thing. Hopefully this fits me. Okay, it also has the shoulder strap. Okay. Come on, Ivy Park. Hopefully this is expandable enough to fit my plus size waist. I am hoping so, because I really want to get the complete finished look. But this is really cute, okay? And I'm going to like split screen so you can like see what I look like in these products. And I'm gonna include footage of like the full fit. But this is, okay, the fanny pack thing retailed for $75. So would I typically pay $75 for a fanny pack? Hell no. But it's Ivy Park, baby. It's Beyonce. If you got the coin to drop, go ahead and drop it. It's exclusive. It's limited. You will never be able to purchase this again unless you purchase it from like a site like Let Go or eBay or something for like triple the price probably. Your girl invested in herself, okay? Merry Christmas to me. And a Happy New Year. Happy birthday next year. Happy gift of 2020 being just completely bizarre. This was my 2020 gift to myself, okay? And my push gift, because I just had a baby over a year ago and I didn't get myself a push gift. So this is my push gift as well, okay? I didn't order any shoes because like I said, I'm not into the athletic look of this particular launch, but in the black pack, I did get some shoes. So just wait and see for the black pack. Go ahead and subscribe. And I did film this makeup look and how I installed this hair. So just subscribe if you are new. Like, welcome to the family, welcome to the party, okay? We get down on this channel. But anyway, I am just so excited. I feel luxurious. All right, queens, so you've seen it here first. Well, I got it because this video is a late upload. I'm sure that you've seen plenty of Ivy Park videos by now, but anyway, you've seen your favorite plus size Ivy Park video. Your favorite. Subscribe. But you've seen it. That was the Ivy Park drip. The drip 2. The drip 2.2 is coming. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you like the pieces I got. I hope you like the way I put it together. I hope you like the little swag, okay? Thank you so much for watching. Hit the subscribe button before you go, okay? I love you. Thank you all so much for the support, the love, the likes, the comments. Subscribe. PS. Not PS5, PS. Your girl is super close to 6,000 subscribers. So go ahead and subscribe and get me to 6,000 and beyond. I will be doing a huge giveaway once I reach 6,000 subscribers on YouTube and 4,000 followers on my main Instagram page. So please go ahead and like, subscribe, share, comment, follow me on Instagram. All the links will be down in the description box. Thank you. Why wouldn't you want to subscribe? It's lit here, okay? It's lit here. Oh, do y'all like my Misguided hoodie? Also have some hauls, some Misguided hauls coming, so just subscribe for the heat, okay? Subscribe so you don't miss anything. And I'm doing Vlogmas this year. What's good, okay? Your girl is consistent. All right, for real this time, y'all. I'm out because I actually have somewhere to be. All right, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Get into this mug. Did y'all watch my latest video? Watch my latest video. Go ahead and click anywhere on the screen. Check out another video while you're here, okay? Big and love.